Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to RWD Status. Chilling here with your boy Status, and we're back with the return of the RB30 S13. So we're over here at CFT waiting to get on the dyno so that she can get a little tune. So I just want to take a minute to apologize for the delay. I know there hasn't been any updates or anything going on for a while, but yes, we are completely back. I have not quit the game, and the build. Let's just. It's been progressing, so let's dive into it and check out what's going on with the RB30 King of RBs, fully built RB30 DET. And there she is, guys. Ooh, I love this thing. Fully built RB30, RB2630. This thing has taken a while for me to complete. It is definitely my biggest build that I've ever done in my life, so I'm just happy that she runs, she turns on. You know, she's still a little bit of a mess. Got to clean a few things up, fix a few mounts and stuff like that for the oil cooler. You know, I'm probably gonna end up changing the intercooler piping and the position of a few different things. I still got some wires that I gotta. Actually, these are temporary setup just for my fans. I was just checking out how I'm routing out some things. But other than that, everything is good. So we have our tucked radiator setup that we have going on here. Still got to block this piece off or have it welded. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. Still figuring it out. But for now, you know, I just got a little screw stuffed in it. So also I'm waiting. Got to get some fabricated proper mounts for the oil cooler. I'm probably going to change the lines for the oil cooler as they're significantly longer than I expected, but they work for now. They will be shortened and changed up, put some 90s on those fittings. I want to go with HD clamps for the intercooler piping. So I mean, there's still a good amount of stuff that needs to be done. However, a good amount of stuff has been done already. So actually guys, I ended up just putting in a new chassis harness. And the reason I had to put a new chassis harness is because in the last video that I put out where the RB30 was supposed to be running the next week, we actually got the motor to start and then it shorted out because of previous drift damage that I've caused in my wire loom on the wheel well, which is something that's pretty common. I could have taken care of that if I would have listened to my friend Fed, who suggested that I relocated back then. I did not get around to relocating it. Oh yeah guys, so if you guys know what I'm talking about, it's that harness up in here. Runs up under the fender well. Pretty difficult to see right now because I already have it tucked up pretty well up in there, but you see that one right there? That one was completely shredded, guys. And now everything works. My lights work again, pop up just fine. Like everything is operational and everything is doing operational, functional. So there have been a few other updates. Of course, as you know, we are running an AM Infinity. So I went ahead and got myself a little bit of a present. So I went ahead and did one of these. So we went with a CD5. I did my own little custom mounts. That is a mock-up mount also. I will be doing a better one. As you can see, that slight gap right there, I hate it. But the reason that I did it this way was because I get to keep my fuel gauge. Like, in order to get your CD5, CD7, or most digital dashes to work properly with your fuel gauge, you have to get like a ohm to voltage or something converter. And it ends up being just a little bit more money than I wanted to spend, and I didn't want to wire anything else up. So what I decided to do was just literally mount it directly into my dash, or my cluster. And yeah, so that's all I'm gonna do right now until she gets on the dyno. I'm not aiming for power or anything like that. I'm just aiming to clean up the map, get everything running properly. All right guys, I don't really know if you guys understand how happy, how elated I am right now. I am ecstatic. This is an amazing moment in my life right now. As you can hear that, I don't know if you can hear that. Oh yeah, sounds so great. As you can see by this giant smile on my face, I'm just like super freaking happy that she's alive. And all I gotta do right now is just break in the motor and then get ready to freaking shred again. And that's the biggest thing that I miss so bad. Now we're on the dyno. What do you think, bro? Oh God, that thing sounds amazing. She's sounding fucking amazing, guys. Whew. I'm almost speechless today. We are done with the basic, this is just a basic tune. It's not aiming for any actual serious power or anything. It's just to clean up the map, have the car idling, running perfect, and be able to do pulls and just do a break-in period properly, right? So that's gonna be all for tonight, but we're actually gonna check out, I'm actually just doing the base numbers. This is literally the smallest wastegate. So smallest wastegate spring that you can put into a tile blow-off valve. So I'm basically an all-motor car at this point, you know what I mean? So let's go check out the graph and see what numbers we made. All motor. So there you have it, guys. It's my all motor figures, basically. I'm on 2 pounds of boost. 2 pounds, 2 pounds made 188 horses to the wheel horsepower, and 162 torque. So all in all, I'm not super upset. Still a break-in period, and that's pretty dope. That's all for today. Super happy that you guys were able to experience my dyno break-in, my initial dyno for the RB20, for the RB30 DET complete build. So thanks for tuning into the Epic RB30, and we'll get more into it later. All right, guys, peace.